Hi and welcome to TMS. Sorry, if this is your first time joining, stay tuned and you'll be able to learn much more as we go throughout the videos. If you cannot find what you're looking for, just pop us a mail, ask us a question, and we'll refer you to the right video. So for now, to start with, we'll just start the session by creating a new quotation, or in other sense, a DR, which for TMS means a damage report. So to do that, we'll select new DR. It's going to ask you for your estimated name. So we can pre-list these in a list, so you can just choose from the list. So for now, I'm just going to say Quentin, and OK. Now it brings up your first screen to add all your details. So the first section would be your customer details. The middle section is for your vehicle details, and the bottom is for the insurer, assessor, and broker. So from here, if you've got a client that is a business or that constantly does repeat work with you, you can load them as a repeat customer, meaning you don't have to fill out the information every time that they arrive. You will only need to change the vehicle details, as the vehicle might differ. They might have 2 or 3 different vehicles, so obviously you need to then just recapture the information of that vehicle. So you can now add the year model. So the year model is linked to the second part of the year. So if it's a 2022 model, you'll only put 22. Then you can start typing your name, for example, Ford. So you see it starts showing up the names for you. So if there is a vehicle that you cannot find here on the list, we can always add it in the manufacturer list, which I will show you where to find that. The same with the model, let's say Ford Ranger. So you can use tab on your keyboard to move from one field to the next. So style would be a bucky, hatchback, sedan, or however. Color, let's say white. Chassis number, this is very important. If you don't have a chassis number, TMS will not allow you to move to the next screen. See, like it informs you, please fill out the chassis field. So we need to just make sure we can do that. And then from there, you can add your kilometers. You can also add your registration, test, engine number, and the whole toot. So with regards to these drop downs over here, this is your repair type. You can either select cash, dealer, fleet, or however. And then this is not a need, it's only nice to have with reporting purposes. So here you can also select whether it was structural, non-structural. So with the comeback and the internal work, these two are only ticked when a job has gone out and the cars come back for a client and the client says, listen, there's something wrong with the repairs that you've done, you need to please fix it. Then it will become a cost to company, which you will then come and create a new quote. You'll mark that quote as a comeback. If it's any vehicles that the company does or that your business does internally, so your own vehicles gets repair done or work done on it, you'll be able to mark it as internal work. These two ticks will also remove them from your sales report, as it is a cost to company. Now with the key reference field, this field is used for your own purposes. You can either add anything to this field, because this is a customer field. You can use it for naming or grouping or anything like this. So if you want to generate a report and you're looking for specific key references, you can use this field for that.